Hi, I'm Steven Patterson, CEO and head chemist at Derivan, the makers of Matisse. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We have over 450 videos of tutorials and how-tos, and we're adding to those every day. Are you looking for inspiration? We have a huge number of videos, tutorials and how-tos. Are you looking for innovation? We have videos introducing our new innovative mediums and pigments. Are you looking to create? Have you got an idea but you're just not quite sure how to execute it? We've got a ton of videos on all the different products that we make and how to use them. If you can't find what you're looking for, that's fine. Just send us an email and we'll put a video together for you explaining how and what you need to get where you want to go. Our email is below in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also make sure you turn on the alerts so you don't miss a thing.